Hey, it's Mr. Anderson here. We're going to be reading a book called Feelings by Colleen White. Um, Feelings are important because we can express ourselves and others know how we're doing and what we might need, right? If we're feeling sad or angry. But they can also maybe join us and play with us if we're feeling happy or excited. Remember, our theme today is around empathy, right? Caring for someone or something and showing compassion, care towards them. So let's learn a little bit more about feelings. I have feelings. My feelings are different. I am happy. And you notice I like to smile a lot because when you smile, it shows that you're happy, right? So if you're happy, you can smile. I am playing with my friends. Playing with friends is a lot of fun. I am sad. It's my sad face. I wave goodbye to my friend. I'm sad because my friend's leaving. I am mad. I dropped my ice cream cone. And I dropped it. I can't eat it. And I was looking forward to it. I am scared. I am alone in the dark. So when we're scared, right, we want to feel better, right? So we might have to ask for help sometimes so we can be less scared. But sometimes being scared can help us know how we can work on being brave. I am silly. I make a funny face, right? It's good to be silly, right? It feels good. I am proud. I can tie my own shoes. I am excited. I am going to the zoo. I like going to the zoo with my family. My son really likes going and running around. I have feelings. How do you feel? Think about it. How do you feel right now? Silly, happy, scared, sad, mad. It's okay to have feelings, right? And the more we understand our feelings, the better we can express ourselves and others can understand us. All right? Let's go. And that was the end. Hope you had fun reading that book with me. All right? I'll see you later.